Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, this is just going to be a quick video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create or render clay models in D5Render. So what you're simply going to do is, once you have set up the render, like as you can see in this scene, you're just going to go over to this tab here, this display icon here, click on it, a drop down pop up. Then you're going to see some options under this mode. So you're just going to go over to this clay model mode. So as you can see, this will automatically transform the model into a clay model. So you can just click on create new to just create a new scene from it. Then your new scene is going to create. Then once your new scene is going to create, as usual, the way you render your regular image, you're just going to click on it and render it exactly that same way. You're going to set the size. Then you're just going to click on it and you're going to render it where and place it where you want to keep the renders. So I'm just going to save this and we're just going to wait a bit till the render is ready. Alright, so so now we've rendered it. We're just going to click on open folder to see what we rendered. Okay, so I'm just going to drag in our file explorer. I'm going to maximize this, then I'm just going to open the render. Okay, so as you can see, look at how good the clay model is. You can see all the light still showing, all the texture of the materials, and it's looking pretty good. So this is how to render clay models using D5Render. Very simple and straight to the point. So if you like the content of this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Also hit the notification bell to get notified when we release new videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.